Today I am going to show you how you can get a multi-agent CRM for WhatsApp for free. So stay until the end of the video. Hello, my name is Juan Luis. I am the co-founder of Whaticket, a platform specialized in customer service. And today I want to talk to you about our open source or free version. In this video, I want to explain to you what the differences are between the version Pro, which is paid, and the free version, and how you can also get it if you want to use this version. So let's go to my screen. This is Whaticket Pro. It has a monthly cost, and the version I am going to show you is the free one. And you will find that from our repository of GitHub, which I will leave the link from here. You will be able to install it on your server and start using some basic functions. It should be noted, for you to use this open source version, you need to have programming knowledge and especially master the technical aspect, paleta laster, no? Because if you're not familiar with it, it will be a bit more complicated. You can do it in two ways. If you're technical, you can do it yourself or hire a programmer to implement it for you. So for this version, we do not provide any support. We launched this open source version when we started with Whaticket. There are some screenshots of how it will look, and now we will also go over the differences between the free version and the pro version. But how to install it? The step-by-step can be found here at this link that I am going to share with you. Here are some screenshots of how they are. It is really basic. For example, if you need the basics of our system, you can opt for this version. And these are the steps of what it includes, the steps you need to follow, the installation of the backend, front end, the database, everything is documented here. And of course, you need to have technical knowledge so that you can implement and adapt it according to the needs of your company. This has no cost. We do not charge. I must repeat, we do not provide support. We do not install. If you know, implement it and you can use it from. So what is the difference between both versions? It is the following. In the open source or free version, you will have reports, multi-agent capability, which means you will connect your WhatsApp number and more than 10, 20, 30 people from your team will be able to respond to all the messages coming in. You will have the option to import contacts, quick responses, the departments, this assignment part, for example, if someone arrives and wants to go to a department, wants to go to the support area, sales, etc. We also have the tags feature. The CRM custom fields where you can store your client's information, fill in contact details like email, ID number, etc. It has it. The chatbots, in the official version we have on GitHub, you do not have the chatbot option. In the paid plan, you do. Bot schedule, you do not have either. Automatic assignment to your agents, it also does not have. Message scheduling, it does not have. Mass sendings, it does not. As in Ponose has it. Application, it does not have an application. You will definitely have to use it on desktop or access it through any browser on your phone. Some channels, WhatsApp only has WhatsApp in our open source version. If you want Facebook, Instagram, live chat, WhatsApp API, you need the pro version. The dedicated support is not included. We do not help you with the implementation, nor do we provide support. And above all, stability. Since it is an open source version, the stability of the service depends on how you configure it. It depends on how your server is. It depends on your providers, because it will be hosted on your server. In the pro version, clearly you pay us, and obviously we ensure this stability, support, and that your service has no failures. In any of the cases, well, you have these two versions, and as I said, if you want the free version, you can install it and start using without no problem. If you have more questions about the open source version, which actually it's worth mentioning that in the market, our open source version has already been modified many times, and not only are we the official ones, but you will find many in the market with some with more advanced features, others not, but for most that exist in the market, we do not guarantee stability, we do not provide support, only if you have with our plan. So we already warned, there are customers who come to us saying, hey, look, I bought this system that is yours, but it's failing. Unfortunately, we are not us. No, they are resellers who are working with our open source version. Now, if you have more questions about the open source version, there is also this forum created by the same people from the community who are contributing with functions and so on, and here you will find any concern you have related to our open source version. What is my recommendation? My recommendation is that you try the free 14-day version, which is the Pro plan, and if you really think it fits all the functionalities we have and you only need the basics so you don't install servers, once you are sure you can implement our version open source. Or maybe you can stick with the Pro version, who knows, because we have many more features, more support. So in any case, you can try the Pro version or the open source version and you have the functionalities we already discussed. Any doubts you have related to Whaticket, feel free to leave in the comments so we can respond and clear up all your doubts. See you in the next video.